Well, good morning everybody and welcome to the 2026 Dinghy Show. What a show it's looking to be. Now, I've done many of these shows, but I had a first last night because it's the first time I've seen a boat delivered by Securicor. Gone 7 o'clock last night, this thing arrived because it's gold, it's not gold plated, it's 24 karat gold, diamond encrusted. And it certainly is not just the jewel of this show, but it's going to be a jewel of the sailing season to come, along with all the others in the class as they celebrate their first decade of being a successful dinghy class, because that's what the H2 is. So now you've seen the cover. You can see some of the gold fittings. I'm going to turn around to the new owner, Richard Le Mare, and I'm going to ask him to show us his all. Richard, get them off. Oh, round of applause, please. That really is, oh gosh. I should have worn sunglasses. Richard, will you say a few words before you crack the bubbles?
That's been a journey. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with Keith and to work with Simon and to work with Dave, wherever he is, who's done a sterling job with the hull. And then I put a lot of gold and bling on it. So here we go. Let's hope she sails well. Thank you, Dougie.
And I hope this is the golden boat for this season. I'll be the race officer, so he does stand a chance that I will be able to see him on the start line. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Cheers.
Was that okay,
Well done,
Keith?
Dougal. Thank you.
RYA Dinghy Watersports Show. We have won the concourse delegate for boat of the show. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mark. Thank you so much.
Known for their Merlins, Farnboroughs, mirrors, so many really top-class, wonderful quality boats, to which they've now added Keith Callahan's amazing H2. And the reason why I use this particular picture of saying happy 50th birthday to Winders is because at the same time, the H2 is going to kick off this long list of people who are having significant birthdays. So here we've got the H2 last year at their very windy nationals down at Portland, and it's a happy 10th birthday to the H2s. And if you've not been along to the H2 stand, I suggest you do so, because there's a 24 karat gold, diamond encrusted H2, the new boat that was also boat of the show the concourse boat of the show yesterday. So a happy 10th birthday to the H2s.